She's happy. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. We last have a look at Worcester Bosch today. I'm just going to go there and diagnose it and repair it. All the information I've got is it just goes into reset. So probably ignition problem. At the moment I don't know what's wrong with it. So I'm going to go there and have a look at it. We're going to diagnose it and hopefully repair it too. Oh. Unless they say here.
Really great for you coming home, especially Saturday. No one wants to come out, man. Especially weekend. This is Jan who's come out of the
Hello.
and he's just got all sorts of muck.
It's all cleaned out and hopefully we'll get the boiler working for him properly.
We're roughly London, man. Souls.
And then,
Okay.
she's happy.
Okay, I'm gonna run the tap, okay?
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Yeah! Jan, we've got hot water! Oh my god, it's amazing! Thank you!
She's happy. So guys, just the condenser's clogged up. And it was an easy job, so it's all sorted and working fine now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Birmingham Solihull.